Hey, it's Leontine from Little Lovely Crafts, and I know it's been a very long time since I last posted a video, but I'm back with one and I hope you enjoy it. I sketched and planned out my card beforehand, and this is how it's going to look. I've used Little Bunny Agenda, Scripty Birthday for the sentiment, Pika frame and the Stargate window in front of it, the Slim Card Basics to make the cloud shape, and then Rainbow High for the rainbow. The colors I'm going to use today are Squeezed Lemonade, Mustard Seed and Wild Honey. I'm going to start with the lightest color and then I'm building it up with the darker colors. I'm going to clean up my work surface and I'm going to grab my bottle of water mixed with liquid stardust. As you can see, I've had a little bit of trouble opening it because it's been such a long time. Anyway, I splattered some drops on my 2 card pieces and then I used a paper towel to pick up the excess water. Once that's done, I'm going to set them aside to dry and I'm going to work on my other pieces. I cut a piece of Bristol Smooth cardstock with the Pika frame rectangle and then I used the cloud shape from the Slim Card Basics. I made sure that 2 rows of stars were visible above the clouds. I'm using some tumbled glass distress oxide ink on the cloud and then also on the little cloud pieces from Rainbow High. I'm going to color the rainbow itself with my Copic sketch markers and I'm using a piece of scrap cardstock to put between each layer of the rainbow. That way I won't have to be afraid of accidentally touching another piece of the rainbow with my marker. If you're interested in the colors, I've listed everything in the description box down below. As you can see, it's very easy to slide a piece of cardstock between each layer of the rainbow to color them in. I won't have to worry about the bottom of the rainbow very much because it's going to get covered up with those cloud shapes that I cut out. And since I'm working with my Copic sketch markers, I'm now going to color my little bunnies. I'm using my white Gelly Roll pen to put some highlights on all of the images. To make the eyes pop, I'm using a black Glaze pen. I always scribble my pen on a piece of scrap cardstock to make the tip nice and clean, and then I carefully make my eyes on the images. And I don't press too hard because then there's just too much ink and the image is all ruined. Of course the rainbow needs to sparkle, so I'm using my Nuvo Aqua Shimmer Glitter Gloss pen. So here are those two gel pens I used. This step is all done, let's work on the sentiment. I recently bought a Misty, I'm going to use it to position my stamp. I'm placing all of the images and my rainbow on the pieces of cardstock, that way I know exactly where I want my sentiment. And then I'm using some mustard seed distress ink and I'm just going to reapply it until I think it has a nice finish. I love making shaker cards out of these grid covers from Mama Elephant, as I'm going to do with this one as well. I'm using some score tape to make sure that my acetate is nicely secured, and once that's done, I'm going to glue those clouds on top. Off camera I used some foam lines all around the card, making sure that the shaker mix won't fall out. I already peeled off the liner paper from the center foam pieces because you won't be able to do that once you attach your background to it. The only problem is that sometimes some of the stars get caught on the tape, but I'm always making sure to gently peel them off and throwing them back inside the shaker well. And now I'm going to place my background on top, and then I'm going to peel off those last pieces of liner paper. I had a feeling that one of them got away, so I just checked all of the sides and now I know for sure that everything is secured in place. So now it's time to decorate the card with my images and all of the other pieces that I colored earlier, and I'm using liquid glue and some tiny glue dots. And even though I made a card today with colors that I don't normally use, I really like how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and thank you for making it to the end. And there are loads of videos on my playlist if you want to see some more. Otherwise, I hope I will catch you next time. Take care. Bye.